Hi, I'm Sawyer with the product team at Jarvis Lighting, and today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about lighting zones on Jarvis Link, our Bluetooth mesh advanced Luminaire level lighting control system. When lighting fixtures are installed using traditional wired controls, the installer will hardwire several fixtures together on the same circuit so that multiple fixtures can be controlled by a single switch or sensor. On Jarvis Link, this function is performed wirelessly through a Bluetooth mesh connection by zones. Any fixture with a Jarvis Link compatible device, such as a sensor or wireless control module, can be added to a zone on Jarvis Link. All of the fixtures in a single zone will be programmed together under the same setting and will turn on, off, and dim simultaneously. Zones in Jarvis Link typically serve the purpose of grouping fixtures together based on location. Let's say you have a warehouse space with multiple aisles of shelving lit up by linear high bays, each with a PIR sensor on it. You only want the fixtures over each aisle to turn on when that specific aisle is occupied. You can accomplish this quickly and easily in Jarvis Link by creating a separate zone for each aisle. Once the zones are created in the Jarvis Link app, you can add the fixtures over each aisle to light their respective zones. This way, when one sensor in a particular aisle detects motion, the fixtures over that aisle will all turn on, while the fixtures over the other aisles will stay off. Zones can also be used to assign different settings to different groups of fixtures. Let's imagine a building entryway that has exterior wall packs and interior panel lights, all with Jarvis Link sensors. You want the interior fixtures to turn on when someone walks through the front door, and you want the exterior fixtures to turn on at dusk and stay on all night. You can accomplish this by creating two separate zones, one for the interior fixtures and one for the exterior fixtures. Once the fixtures have been added to their respective zones, you can utilize the default profiles we offer on Jarvis Link to assign different settings to each zone. In this example, the zone with the exterior fixtures can be assigned the wall pack photocell profile, which causes the fixtures to turn on at dusk and off at dawn. The zone with the interior fixtures can be assigned the office/interior room profile, which causes all the fixtures in the zone to turn on when any of the sensors in the zone detect motion. We offer 10 different default profiles on Jarvis Link, which you can use to easily program your zones for a wide variety of applications. Now you know how you can use zones on Jarvis Link to program your Luminaire level lighting controls. To learn more about Jarvis Link and the advanced Luminaire level lighting control solutions that we offer, check out the other videos on our channel or visit jarvislighting.com. Thank you for watching.